Your benefits of the mini splits, the most common that people typically talk about is the fact that they don't require ductwork. So if your home is limited in space for ductwork, it's a great option. What a lot of people don't realize is the real benefit behind a mini split is the technology in the compressor and the communication between the compressor and the indoor unit. The communication and the inverter technology, basically your indoor unit is going to communicate with your outdoor unit. As you're getting closer to your set point, desired humidity levels or desired temperatures, it's going to communicate with the outdoor unit and allow it to either stage down or stage up, depending on what the load is inside the home or inside the space. Another great option with the mini splits is the availability of zoning. Zoning is very simple with the mini splits. Gives you the opportunity to have multiple zones in a home under one system. Zoning in HVAC is basically each individual room or space has its own temperature control and can be controlled individually, and you can use different set points for each individual area. What's most important with the mini splits is that you really pay attention to the install techniques. They're a lot more sensitive than some of your traditional equipment when it comes to electric and refrigeration. So it's very important to follow the install instructions to a T. You don't want to take shortcuts. You want to make sure they're being installed properly. There's a lot of applications for mini splits. You can do them in commercial applications. You can do them in a garage. You can do them as an addition. You could do them as a whole home heating and cooling system. And that goes as large to large commercial buildings, office buildings. So there's a lot of different spaces that mini splits can be used. If you found this information helpful, please give us a like. And if you have any questions about your home or your equipment, please drop a comment below and we'll try to feature it in our next video.